Hello, welcome back to Project Management Demystified. My name is Michael. I'm a VP and a project management professional. So I think my last video was about just introducing to Agile project management, and one of the Agile frameworks called Scrum is quite common. There are so many other. There's so many other. There's less. There's this very popular one, Scaled Agile Framework, Safe. There's DevOps. There's Extreme. But I'll just quickly say something about the Scrum today. So in Scrum, and just as I said, Agile, breaking things down, trying to deliver value from customers quickly and be able to get feedback. So Scrum has three key roles. So there's a Scrum Master, there's a product owner, and then there's the team. So they meet daily, and then there are so many different Scrum events. So I want to talk about the Scrum Master, just quickly, briefly talk about the Scrum Master. I know the common thing that people know about Scrum Master, what they read in books, is that there's the daily stand-up. In the daily stand-up, you ask a question: what did you do yesterday? So how did yesterday go? What's your plan for today? So what do you want to do today? And do you have any blockers? So yes, asking the question is easy, straightforward. But when you get some kind of responses, how do you deal with it? So for instance, what's a blocker? What is the purpose of the daily Scrum? What is the purpose of the daily stand-up? So I will tell you one thing today that you might not necessarily see in books. So the purpose of the daily Scrum is to identify risks. So the daily Scrum, the teams coming together and they are having conversations about the work that they're doing. And in the conversations they are having, things come up that would help the team identify and manage, deal with risks. So I'm working on a software project, and I'm having some challenges. When I come together with the team, I'm having discussions with the testing team. I'm having discussions with the business analyst, with more experienced colleagues, and they can guide me right there and then, or we can take it offline to deal with those challenges. Also, I mentioned blocker. So a blocker could be anything, and I would say that's one of the most difficult parts or jobs of the responsibilities of the Scrum Master. Removing blockers, so helping teams resolve challenges and removing impediments, because these things could be, we need support from another team, we're waiting for something from another team just holding us back. So how do you manage those relationships? Because the other team don't owe you anything, so you need to manage the relationships carefully and try to resolve those conflicts and remove the impediments so that your team can get back on track. I hope that makes sense. I'll stop there for now, and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers. Bye-bye.